Why, hello there. This is Mike Annika, a co-op student. He loves nature. In fact, they are the best of friends. That's why, last semester, he chose to work for SNAP. SNAP stands for Surrey's Natural Areas Partnership. Here are some things that he had the opportunity to do. Release insects into the wild. Remove invasive plant species. Huh? Inform the community about pollution.
Hi, I'm Will. Add me on Facebook. And don't litter.
Mike was more than pleased with his work term with SNAP. All possible because of co-op. Now it's your turn to go see where co-op can take you. Good luck and goodbye.